morning guys, welcome to another video. So my name is David, if you don't know, David Jones. So well, I checked out my last video I uploaded, my first vlog. So I think the video is actually making numbers. I want to say thank you to everybody that have watched the video, that have seen it. It was quite messy, something like that. So on today's video is going to be crazy. You need to expect some reactions, and so today's video we're going to put I'm going to be putting microwaving my cousin bro's iPad in here. I don't know how he's going to react to it. It's going to be crazy, so just stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch out. So welcome back guys. So basically we're back at the video now. I told you what's going down today, and we ain't stopping until we hit our targets. So basically this is going to be the iPad we'll be putting in the microwave, but I don't really know how safe this looks. I don't know if you put this iPad in the microwave if it's going to explode. So I think I've checked it out, if it's going to explode, so I'm not going to leave it for a very long time, so we don't end up blowing the whole building down. None of that is going to happen. So basically we'll quickly turn on this thing. I don't know where he is right now, so if he comes back and meets me, you turn on. Okay, it's on right here. So gonna get this right here. Yes sir, yes sir. So that going down to nothing guys. Oh my god, this is microwaving right now. Oh, guys, it's microwaving, it's microwaving. Okay, let's see it. So at the moment now, the iPad is in the microwave. I don't even know where this boy is now. Yeah. The iPad is microwaving at the moment. It's microwaving. It's been like in here for like 5 minutes. I don't know, it's microwaving. So we just sit back a little bit and just watch out. Hope so. Something doesn't go there. Oh my god, it's microwaving. Guys, there's an iPad in the microwave right now. My god, it's microwaving. Let's just hold on for a minute. This is about to go crazy. I don't know, I haven't done this before, so. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think it's something is smoking in there. I think there's smoke. I see smoke, guys. Bring it up. Oh my god, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look. Is it hot? Oh my god. I think I have ruined this iPad. Oh my god. Whoa. So guys, basically I just put his iPad in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and I think it's ruined. It's too hot, so mission accomplished for now. So I'm going to head downstairs and check out what he's doing. And tell him, come on bro. Okay, I just put it back in here, but I have to turn it off. So come on bro, come on, check out your iPad. It's getting ready for you to eat. Let's go and meet him. Key boy, come and see something. It's going down to nothing right now. You want to say surprise?
What?
I put the microwave. I kept food for you there.
Oh, thanks.
His reaction. I just put his iPad in the microwave, and oh, that boy almost ate me up. So basically I'm officially ending today's video. So if you actually enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Just hit the subscribe button. Oh yes, and let the family grow bigger and bigger. Just stay tuned. I'll be uploading videos, I think every day for now. Every day. The next video is going to be crazy. It's about to go crazy. You know what it is. It's about to go crazy. So don't forget, David Rose, keep. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I need you to subscribe to my channel below and click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. You know it's about to get late every day. Come on, guys.